I want to say to you very quickly. You're not in my level. You're not in my league. I'm a different kind of woman, oh. You see me, I give you rich auntie vibes. Spare me my money, oh. Hey, I beg, you're what?
The one thing with Spice, she have vibes and she funny, you see me, I said naturally, you feel me? So yeah, she are taking the Yoruba, if I'm saying it correctly, style, because you don't know the things, so that's how it goes in certain parts of Nigeria, you know what I mean? I'm not saying all people is not Yoruba or Yoruba, but you don't know the things, said people. And this is not no hobby or business, you see me, I said. But yeah, she's doing a track with a Nigerian chick. I think her name is Yami. People, you know, me and words and things, you know. But this is definitely a good look, and this is what she was talking about with her album, you know, wanting to reach broader audiences. You see me, I said new markets, you know what I mean? And I think she has an African tune. No, actually, that tune is not on there. But you know, she's been dabbling in African, you know, Afro beats for a while now. You see me, I say, you know, she have a tune out with our next brother. But this chick she does collaborate with have over 17 million followers on her Instagram page, as you can see. So the exposure is good because I always said if you sell 1 million copies in Nigeria, you're not saying nothing. You see me, I say, and I think a lot more artists should look towards the African continent like Popcorn, and now we see Spice. You see me, I say, because let's be honest, there's a lot of money to be made out there. You feel what I'm saying? And you know, it's hard to break into reggaeton if you not have a hit. You know what I mean? That's the only reason why Charlie Blacks is good in reggaeton, because he has that, you know, party like an animal hit, you know what I mean? But we all know them people is racist. You feel what I'm saying? We're not gonna hide nothing, you see me? So it's a smart move for Spice for, you know, get in tune with our roots and touch the motherland and do the do's, you see me? I say. People are not putting out a comment section if me I make sense or what me I say, but yeah, just letting them know what I go on from what not to go on, you see me I say. And you know the music video soon drop, you see it. Speaking about culture swap, Shenseea is coming under heavy fire after she just dropped a tune called Boom Bye Bye. You know what I mean? Big up yourself, Shenseea. I think she was thinking about my other YouTube channel, Boom Bye Bye TV channel. But we'll get to that another time, you see me. But nevertheless, people, she dropped a tune called Boom Bye Bye. And it's a good tune. I'm not gonna lie to you. I like it. You feel what I'm saying? And you don't know the thing said it's on a Jamaican rhythm. Yes, and that is why she's being blasted by people on social media. Because you know the thing said. She said that, you know, she's gonna pause dancehall, you know, for a little bit, you know, to try other music like pop and hip hop and all of these things. But people, let me explain something to Donna real quick. First off, this is an old song. You see me, I say, yes, this is an old rhythm because we don't know the things that Steph London has been making the news of lately, and she said she wants to collaborate with Vibes Cartel. And you don't know the things that him post up on say Friday and him tag Donna, the producer. But if you had been following Steph London, you know, said this collaboration has been made already. But I think she might have, you know, exposed that she talked to him on WhatsApp. So, you know, things get, you know, clamp or whatever. You see what I'm saying? But yes, Shenseea is on the same rhythm with Steph London, Vibes Cartel, and a few other people like Massacre, Sean Paul, Moyen, and Ting. But back to what I was. Just because she said she's gonna pause on dancehall doesn't mean that she's not gonna still drop dancehall music. Because let's be honest, people, Ramesh has thousands upon unreleased songs from Shenseea, as well as other producers. But you don't know the thing set because she's signed to a label. They can't just put out things when they want to. You feel what I'm saying? So obviously she and the label is cooking up some things, and you know she's just dropping some things. You know the meanwhile, you see what I'm saying? Obviously they gave them the clearance to put the thought or whatnot, or however this music thing go. But yes, people, she has thousands upon dancehall songs. You know, people just don't sing for free. So that is why you hear them things, people. This is our old track. You see what I'm saying? Yes, it's an old track that done well been a sit on pan, and you know, that music is timing. You feel what I'm saying? And you know, Cartel him say up to the time. So if him say Friday, as you know, it's past. You know, them the rhythm is ready to go. You see me? So I'm just giving them update and just relax on yourself, and I'm just know say more Jamaican tune with Shenseea is bound to be released. You feel me? But yeah, anyway, people, let's proceed. Hey, people, quick update for you on this Donna Lee situation. We're ready to see what is about to play out. Yes, eventually this case is gonna get thrown out, and Noel is gonna be found not guilty. Yes, because we ready to see the bangarang go on, you see me, I say, DPP, I quit and all of these blood nut things, you see me, and we all know that he's covering for somebody, but all of these things is taking a toll on the mother, you know, after hearing that, you know, prosecutors is quitting, cases being transferred to this court, you know what I mean, and she got this up, Noel liar too, but anyway, she says blessings to my people. I just want to take this great opportunity to say a big thank you to Andre, Dr. Love, L.A. Lewis, and my brother, Uncle Neil, and to everyone who took the time out to protest with us from the start until now. All prayer warriors who stand with me in prayer, may God continue to guide and bless and keep y'all. This wouldn't have been possible without y'all. We would not stop until justice is served and Noel and Katie and confess what they have done to my baby girl. No justice, no peace. He is so heartless. He got the nerves to have to ask his lawyer requesting bail because he is missing his daughter. And that his daughter is not herself because he is missing him too. How dare you, you cold-blooded savage. What about my daughter? Where is my baby girl, Noel? I hope you rot in that cell. At the end will be the bitter for all of you savages that brutally murdered my daughter. Judgment and fire on you all. It's a mass of my people. Like I said, we can't blame Noel lawyer for doing his job. You know, that's what he was paid to do. You see me, I say. But if the system really fumbles this case, man, people, long days ahead of us, you see me, I say, because with the overwhelming evidence, we see a homeboy still gonna get free. But me just want to give you that update what I go on, you see me, I say. But speaking about funerals, you know, Merciless funeral just passed and Bounty Killer name is being called up again alongside other entertainers who didn't show. You see me, I say, and only a few did, like Spragga Benz, Fanta Moja, and things. You see me, I say, well, Tony Matterhorn is dissing them up because it's a big joke. You know, if the Queen did dead at Jamaica, everybody would have showed up to her night and our funeral. And nobody did. You see what I'm saying? And you know, Merciless is a big thing in a dancehall. You see me, I say, but people, what you expect? They didn't even show up to a Sailings Lions funeral, so yeah. So I got listen to what Tony have to say because I'm about the whole entertainment industry. You know what I mean? This should have been like a big holiday, you know, someone that made the music what it is, you know, because them said them always waiting for Merciless to death so them can run in him style. Being a man and blood club Bounty Killer especially, so let's take a listen.
You don't know OKC tonight. I don't know. I think OKC is a NBA city, but I'm a lit their city tonight. But real quick and real fast, I'm not stay long because I'm going to sleep. I'm tired. I'm not sleep from morning. Howdy from London. You know, say somebody say howdy. The back of field crowded. And I don't know, Rosemag, I don't know me always say the things them where people girl them say you never stay long. When I stay long for last person where I try to stay long, him never get no medal for it. But shout out to the British people and people from Canada, America, Jamaica, around the world. I just want to tell the entertainment fraternity say, go suck out to the mama. On a wicked. Yes, I said it. Shout out to all of the people who is from the entertainment, who is in Jamaica, and who from Jamaica who is abroad, all of these things. Big up on yourself. But to all me see when I deal with Merciless today, I be a rain of fall of Jamaica. Pussy, you know, remember, say, Merciless done dead, you know. And Merciless buried. Thank you, Father God. Him done buried. Uno not dead yet, you know, bitch. Uno not dead yet, pussy. Uno not dead yet. Just remember that, yeah? Me, When I'm my time, you don't have to worry about me, because Mars them are going to just burn my body and put the ashes on one of the rocket, then we are go to space. Yeah. So, you don't have to worry about me and worry about who I come at my funeral. I don't want nobody at my funeral, because I don't like people. I don't like people in my yard. You notice me roll alone? So I don't like people like that. My friends and my fans, them, only can have a celebration and a little something and keep a little something now in the yard and say, big up dirty Matterhorn. And some girls say, nasty Matterhorn with him face the mouth. Me hate the John Cressy and all these things. Only can say all them things there. And some boy where me fuck them girl and them have me up. Only can say, yo, you know, like a pussy there, you know. Only can say all of that thing. But me not do no service or no nothing. Because me not like people. So nobody can disappoint me. Because me never look for none of no drunk or come at my funeral anyway if you come talk nothing bad. Pussy stay around it there and talk bad. If you're there yard, I say, oh, me not like the boy Matterhorn, because boy Matterhorn chat too much. You can't stay where you're there and say that, because suck your mother. Me not like people. Remember, me not, who drink white rum, I only can go so and take one bottle of Sprite and chew up on the ground for me. When am my time? Yeah. Because I don't know me drink Sprite, I don't drink liquor, so I don't have to chew no anything. I know. Dear liquor, on the ground, I say, boy, imagine, red. No, throw some Sprite. Pour a little Sprite, and I say, hey. And I pack a cigarette, and I say, hey, dirty Matterhorn. Well, I burn a pack a cigarette for you. Yeah, I'm good. Suck out on the mother, on a pussy. Imagine, you have a fucking entertainment fraternity. When me talk, I'm not afraid of a boy. Because a boy can't lick me in my mouth. A boy lick me in my mouth, him knows say a bullet. Anyway. When me I say, you have so much entertainers, and you can name the entertainers that will go a Merciless funeral. Bear in mind, there's nobody from the 90s will drop out. Most of the artists them will drop out in a pandemic, and some older artists and big man and them something there. Big man thing. The only 90s artists will drop out, based on my knowledge, is Baby Wayne. Now, look why me I go tell the whole of them artists they go suck out to the mama on a pussy. Who want Bex? Because I'm afraid of a boy. Whole on a pussy. You know, big up to the artists that go a Merciless funeral. All of uno rest of artists, uno just show say, when uno dead, nobody no blood clot member uno either, yeah? Same what uno do with Merciless. Don't worry, for the time I come to, you know. Remember Merciless done dead already, you know. So him done pass it already. So uno can't hurt him no more. But uno gonna get hurt. And a real talk. The whole of uno they a blood clot yard. Some of uno I gotta say, boy, John know I wake up late. Go suck your mother. Boy, you wake up late. You a pussy. One. For people who don't know Jamaican artists, entertainment thing. Pan Saturday, no Jamaican artists. Don't make no excuse for none of them. No Jamaican artists don't work pan Saturday. Remember that. No fucking Jamaican artists don't work on Saturdays. Them never cut dub plate on Saturdays. Or no, don't cut dub plate on Saturdays. One, the last time I checked, a very few Jamaican artists have apartments. Alright, let's say, oh, John, you know me I build some apartments over there, so me that I go look for my apartments. Only on a blood clot apartments I build. Oh, me have one garage down there, so only on a garage. Me have two car mart. We know the one them we have car mart and two apartment and two little things. We don't have nothing to do today more than stay on the phone, on Instagram, and I watch Merciless funeral, and I watch two big pussy girl per Instagram who no want fuck. And two on the orange girl them where them done a fuck pound or two. And I talk about hey girl where they. I never think so if you just put little gas in your car and drive go down go pay your last respect to Merciless. If me did that, I would have to do that, you know. Me hear a man say, Merciless a bury a country. Look how much time on a run got blood clot country. Look how much time on a run got country. So now I could have put two, other than the little 5 to 6 artists who go down there. You could have put the gas in on the car and give Merciless a send out. But look on this now. I'll show you how them a pussy. I bet if I was, God forbid, one athlete dead, who I wanted to put on a big suit and tie to go get the hype at the person's funeral. I bet if it was somebody else in a Jamaica, only that run, go put on a dear jewelry, on a dear watch, on a dear something, and upon, on the darkest glass, and upon and I heal everybody. Like one of the people in my blood clot co-worker. But Merciless dead, and none of them no go. And none of them have no excuse today. Some of them stuck a pussy last night. Some of them fuck a body last night. And talk about on wake up late for go Merciless funeral. Merciless is a fucking legend, At the end of the day, I want a weed drop out, So, respect to the ones them who is not there. We could have gone at the funeral, but all on a big pussy when they there at Jamaica, go suck out to the mama. Una go dead too, Don't forget, you see the big pussy girl who wanna lie down on the bed with last night. That bitch that go fuck pound the day when you're dead, Yeah, right true. Cause she fuck pound now when I'm alive. So I wanna feel like, she go do. Oh, my man dead. Go suck out the mother. Remember, una 4 other man fuck it. So. Remember what I want to do, Remember what I want to blood clot, though. Because the world see, The world see. I found not travel. You never have no date today. You never have no dance. So why you never go? And then you feel people are going to rate you and respect you, What you feel? People are going to rate and respect you, But you fraternity, you pussy. I not call no name, I call all of them name. Call name your blood clot. I not call no boy name and give no boy no hype. A boy know say him the day at Jamaica and you never did a Merciless funeral. So I don't need to call your blood clot name. Suck your mama and go. Where you chat about? Stop blame the woman where they no girl make no for them no go at the man funeral, man. So I have to talk every aspect, man. I'm not afraid of nobody, but I'm not calling a blood clot body name. I'm going to look, I want to see who did at the funeral. So who did there, that means you know who never dead there. You understand? You know who never dead there. And none of them never dead there. And I fuck with that. And you see them one hype up them pussy and talk about them are real people. Real people are blood clot. Me I tell you now, anyhow was somebody of some little status, they dead, them would have run go there, go hype up them little dirty self, and say, yeah, them the other person's funeral. Me not ask you, me I tell you that. Because anything when I have no hype, them pussy are not involved in. Anything when I have no hype, them not involved in. You don't know who did that. You don't watch a video them. I want to see who did that. The pussy them not go a Merciless funeral, dog. Somebody so big from the fraternity drop out and none of them go a funeral. Just a handful of away with people them. I say people when have nothing to do with them dead. I want to run and put on the dearest clothes for go to them funeral. I don't never know the people them like that. I don't never know the fucking people them like that. You understand? I don't know the people them like that. Make one government smaddy drop out. I don't run go. I don't know the people them. Make one celebrity drop out. One uptown smaddy. Yo, I was my brother, I don't run go. But Merciless dead. The dancehall fraternity shows that you no respect Merciless. You think the world now look down and say, no pussy can't tell me nothing, I tell you already, Let me take off my glasses. Cause I don't want to feel like me and one of them way in a dark glasses. The queen dead and no for one to talk about. Boy, the queen dead and boy she did her time and Merciless dead and we no see none of All enough selector me see Me I want the first person go play an hour about a Merciless pan live, you know. You understand? I see enough selector will say, Ray, look who never their Merciless funeral. The beg dub man them. The man them were beg dub. No for want to beg Merciless dub, you know. Because Merciless is one of the kindest dub artists, you know. If you even have a bills, a Merciless a charge 2 bills. Merciless a give you the tune, you know. Uno no go and funeral, you know. And every man I go make excuse that boy, I wake up late. I wake up late, your blood clot. You wake up late from doing what? Get your cock suck hard than your motor girl? Oh, Merciless a bury a country. And? Real talk, dog. Me not like blood clot people. Me not like people. Remember say me are the person who tell people go suck out them mother and no business, you know. Cause me born alone, you know. That's why I roll alone. But when me really look and see what I wanna do to Merciless, hey, watch what somehow, you know. Watch where I go on. We there and we are see. We say we there and we are blood clot see. I don't feel like the people them not see. The people them see. The people them see. Merciless was an icon, you know. All we wanna talk about him a cokehead or him a this or him a barred or him a rummed or him a that. Show him the respect. If Uno not show the respect to a dancehall legend like that, so Uno think Uno go get respect when Uno drop out? Remember him don't drop out already, you know. So, we're gonna see where I go on. You understand? We're gonna see where I go on. Because Uno have no excuse, you know. The only people that have excuse are the ones that were not in the country. If you're not in the country, then you know what? I one of them thing that they don't have a gig or whatever based on the funeral preparations and all these things. You know what I'm saying? But when me really look and see all of this, and see say, no. You know, see a beer rain a fall a blood clot. Duck from Clarendon come straight out. Merciless a ball, you know. The place cloudy, you know, dog. Beer rain. Beer rain fall. Beer rain. My heart hurt me when me really look. But then, I don't like, me they expect anything from you. Me never expect nothing better from you. Uno just show someone is the biggest bumbleclot, bad mindset, a pussy. We always go on like on a good youth and people always rate up somehow about a good youth them, good youth what? Good youth when? Good youth show them fun to friend and buy 2 liquor, get 2 friend, buy 2 some more people. Cause me not done beat them yet, you know. Me I beat out them drunk cry. One, some of the top elite sound man them never they have Merciless funeral. And none of them they are Jamaica. Only the day Jamaica. Them say them never see Leng there, you know. Leng. You are every day, you wanna come talk to me, you know. Wanna come talk to me. I don't know if Leng there Jamaica. Because Leng is a man travel all the while. And every day, I don't think every day they are Jamaica still. But wanna talk to me, you know. Wanna talk to me. Oh, no, never they are Merciless funeral. I want to say on a dancehall fraternity and dancehall artists, producers, enough of the producers them, big sound system operators, and the whole of there Jamaica, so on no go. And I bet if one big pussy smarty dead where have a name, on run go there. What not do? On just show me say, yo, me no want a friend. Then again, me been say me no want a friend from the boy and a guy and a friend me and come kill me after. All on a pussy. Whole fucking fraternity a pussy. The ones them bless up to the ones them who go. You know, you me telling you, say, people are watch from the world and say, oh, that person that did that. From the people them can talk who was there. That mean the whole fucking lot of owner wasn't there. Oh, you mean me know say them a hypocrite, but me never know say the pussy them would do a hypocrite mood when one of we drop out. Remember the whole on a bad mind and bad mind no one that I wanna fuck the same girl them and look the same girl them. I wanna keep the same people them round, you know. Remember, me not do mix up, you know. Me just mix up blood clot people. Cause first thing, me not one of them people where let me teach you something about entertainment where you don't know. Gandhi, you know them thing they go. You think a boy can come to Matterhorn and say, Maggie, you know, say me hear the boy Gandhi and say, you're pussy and rare. First thing me gonna tell you, go suck your mother. And in front of my face and behind my back, Gandhi will tell you that. Say, Matterhorn is going to tell you, go suck out your mama. Go dive in your mama. You can't come to me, come tell me, say, oh, Gandhi say, Matterhorn a pussy. You know why? One, me no bad mind. So you can't come tell me about my friend Gandhi say, oh, me a pussy. If Gandhi even say Matterhorn a pussy, you have to go tell me, say, you know what, say, me I run some joke with Gandhi and say, Maggie and Gandhi say, Maggie a pussy. I must see in that terminology there where it don't mean nothing. Like a joke way. You can't come tell me, say, Gandhi say, Matterhorn a pussy wall. Oh, them boy there. First thing, if you are going to tell Matterhorn that a Pisces, I'm going to tell you go suck out your mother. I remember me not talk to Gandhi yet, you know. If you ask Gandhi if him said that, you know. But me know, even if Gandhi a plan against me, well, I saw be the case. Him have to come in front of my face and tell me, say, Maggie, you this me, I'm not doing nothing with you. But no boy can't come tell me that. No boy can't come tell me that. That's why they're afraid of me. Because you can't come tell me, say, oh, the man they say, go suck your mother where you say. Me too intelligent. You cannot tell me that. 90% of Jamaican artists, them bad mind. So if somebody come and tell them, say, somebody say them bad, somebody a bad mind them automatically agree with the person. Not even know the own motive of the person. That's why be a mix-up always go on with the artist them. Because you have some little hungry boy who power on the artist them licky. Them power with this artist this week, and then right after the artist, them run go power with the next man. So a man we are power with Patasken. And say, hey, Patasken, you know who say, a next dancer, Matterhorn them say, you can't dance. You say, if Patasken bad mind, Patasken guy say, oh, Matterhorn a pussy man, after them bored and a bad like me. That's the typical Jamaican artist. Them now got stay like me and say, when they go to me and say, hey, Maggie, Patasken, I say, you're not good. Me I go tell you, go suck your mother, you can't tell me that about Patasken. Because some me stay. But most of these artists, they are bitches and they want to hear the story of them. Remember me I come from old school, you know. Me remember, man come around artists, you know. And say certain things about another artist, you know. And then me happen for dead when them go back around the next artist where them say things about. I'm just laugh and say, that's why I trust nobody. Because if you get a food, a man will come round a man and tell the man there, say, hey, they don't know say skeng them and say rare. And then him go around skeng them go say the same thing. I be a them thing that them go on with. So you say if you in a bad mind, you say if you're in a bad mind, somebody can't make you bad mind, you know. You know, understand? If you in a bad mind, somebody cannot make you bad mind. Isn't it safe to say that the person who you say it to, they are also bad mind like you? Let's say, me go to Gandhi and say, Gandhi, the boy Patasken on this, the program, he must say, rare. You see, if Gandhi bad mind, Gandhi is going to believe in Matterhorn without any solid proof. Because Matterhorn done bad mind, and Gandhi done bad mind. So when me go to Gandhi, I say, Gandhi, you know, say, the boy Patasken, I say, you can't DJ, you can't this. Gandhi say, hey, and that the pussy say, remember, Gandhi, you don't know if Patasken said that, you know, and Matterhorn tell you that. Why would you believe Matterhorn like that? If you're not bad mind, because remember, Matterhorn have an ulterior motive. I want to fight against Spattersken, but I want to use Gandhi for fight against Spattersken. And these people never yet confirm nothing.
Yeah, what a shame. You see, me, I say people, that's why it is. Why? People really show them true colors. Anyway, I'm not going to this no longer. Don't forget to bless upon yourself on a Sunday. Yeah. Oh.